Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to apply a job on LinkedIn. And this is very simple since the LinkedIn app got launched. Alright, what we're gonna do now is click right in the bottom and go to jobs. And right now we click on search jobs to find a job. Now let's say I want to be a teacher, search for teacher, select here the country where you want to search in, and then from here we click on search. Alright, from here I like the job immediate physical education teacher. So if you click on that right now, you see here the option apply. So if you click on apply, they will send us to the Noble schools in USA. And then from here we can click on apply now. And from here we can fill in all our details and then do next. And then you need to follow every single step to apply. So if you can see, it's so easy to apply on LinkedIn for a job. Alright, this is how it works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.